Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into GitHub and verifying Codespaces is enabled for your account or org. Once done, navigate to the repository you want to use, choose the branch to work on, and click Code, then Codespaces and New Codespace to begin the build. Make sure to select an appropriate machine type for CPU and RAM needs. The platform then creates a container and provisions a development environment. This is where you'll run your first edits and tests. Next, customize the environment by adding or editing the devcontainer/devcontainer, JSON and optional Docker file so dependencies install automatically. Then install recommended VS Code extensions. This syncs to the Codespace, and configure port forwarding settings for any local servers. Use the integrated terminal to run installs, builds, and tests. Configure your Git user, email, and user name so commits are authored correctly. If you need persistent state, adjust workspace settings and extensions in the dev container so subsequent starts match this environment. To finish, run your app or test suite inside the Codespace, then commit and push changes directly to the branch you selected. If you want reproducibility, export or commit your dev container configuration and create a snapshot so others can reopen the same environment. When finished, stop or delete the Codespace to free resources. You can restart saved states later. Troubleshooting tip: if builds fail, open the container logs and rebuild the dev container to force dependency reinstallation and resolve cached mismatch errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.